A round of applause for mom and dad because they really killed it. Hey yo, what up people? This is your boy Jay Sanji Kicks, and today we are back with another review. For today's video guys, we're gonna have a unboxing, review, on-fit look, everything that you need to know about the BadBo 1.0. We're gonna talk about it on today's video guys. This shoe is the first silhouette from Bad Bunny, his first signature shoe. Bad Bunny, they just killed it in the Super Bowl, you know, man. And now having this shoe right here for my wifey, I need a pair of this one for myself. This shoe is clean as hell, man. You're about to see my first impressions of the shoe because I already record the unboxing, review, first impressions and everything. So you're gonna see me taking the shoe straight out of the box for the first time. But let me tell you right now, just like he did on the halftime show, he did the same with the shoe. He killed it in the halftime show and he killed it with the shoe. I like what I'm seeing on Bad Bunny's first signature shoe, the BadBo 1.0. So let's go with the unboxing, review, and on-fit look on the BadBo 1.0. Okay, so let's go with the unboxing and review of the shoe. This is the box that the shoe is coming with, the blue box. You know, we have seen this box before, but have some details dedicated to Bad Bunny, like it says right here. Adidas para Bad Bunny. Adidas for Bad Bunny. That's exactly what it says right there. It's a blue box with the 3 white lines. You know, Adidas, yeah, that have to be here. Then we have this little sticker here that says Spring Summer 2026, the Adidas logo. Then right here it says in Spanish, Modelo, that's model. And right here it says BadBo 1.0, Especificación, that's specification, everything. Color, both language is the same, color, just the pronunciation, which I'm probably struggling with. But anyway, right here we can read Adidas para Bad Bunny, like I just told you. On the side, we have the Adidas logo and the usual BadBo 1.0. Pretty cool. That's it, just the box, you know. Let's go with what really matters here, which is the shoe. And this is the way we open the box. It's the first time I'm opening this. By the moment of recording of this video, I haven't seen the shoe yet, all right? So let's go with this. Okay, I like it. I like the way it opens the box. Right here we have the Adidas logo again and this planet here. And that's basically it. We also have, what is this? Just a bag. Okay, I can use this for the supermarket. Right here also says Adidas para Bad Bunny, the Adidas logo. On the other side, we have this stitching that, from what I can see in pictures, this will be also in the trunk of the shoe. But this is like a recycle bag. You can use this, like I said, to go to the supermarket or something, or just save it. You know, just save it for the shoe, for the collection or whatever. Then we have the shoe that comes fully wrapped in a type of translucent paper. Okay, and here we have the shoes. This is the BadBo 1.0. BadBo is like a shortcut name for Bad Bunny. Obviously, you can tell, I guess. But my first impressions of the shoe, they seems pretty solid. They seems pretty solid. This one, to be the first Bad Bunny silhouette, I think he did a solid job on the shoe just of the first impressions. Now, we're gonna go deeper into the shoe to see exactly what we have with this new silhouette. But there's something I need to tell you with this new silhouette from Bad Bunny in comparison with some new silhouette from other people. So let me take the other shoe outside of the box first. There's no paper inside of the box, only the one that comes wrapping the shoe. That's basically it. And the other side of the shoe, from what I can see, looks exactly as the other side. No new details. This, as you see here, is exactly what you get. But how good is this shoe? We about to find that out. Let me close the box to put these setup a little better, or whatever, the best I can. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna put the box right here, this shoe here, and this one here. And let's take a look at this BadBo 1.0 from Bad Bunny again. This is the first time I see the silhouette in person. I have to say that this is not the colorway that I wanted to get. I wanted to have the brown one, but this is a very solid colorway as well. It's very clean. It's like a mix between gray and cream colors on the shoe with a little bit of blue, like the one we have on the stitchings of the tongue of the shoe. I love this color, this shade of blue. I like it. This is like a mix between royal and baby blue. Right here, you can see it better. This is nice, very nice. The shoe I'm talking about, the colorway is very simple, but yeah, right here we have the Adidas logo, and from what I know, this is the brand new Bugs Bunny logo that we have in blue on the back of the shoe. And this blue is the only thing giving a little bit of color to the shoe, but that's exactly why I like this color so much, because even though I prefer to have the brown one, this one is super nice and also goes with my vibe. So I think Bad Bunny, just like on the halftime show, he did a great job on this shoe right here that he actually debuted during the halftime show. Man, that was an amazing halftime show for real. If you didn't get everything, that's because you're probably not Latino, but just like Kendrick Lamar did last year with the symbolism for the culture and all that, Bad Bunny just did a similar thing for the Latinos. And man, with this shoe he has on his feet, he really killed it right there. And with the shoe, that is what we care about right now, I really think he did a great job. I mean, just look at the shoe. What I love about this shoe is that I see a mix of different style of shoes. I see basketball, casual shoe, training shoe. And Bad Bunny, from what I know, he really was part of the design of the shoe, so he said what he wanted. I love seeing these. This is probably one of the best new silhouette of the entire year, and it's Bad Bunny, you know, probably the biggest artist right now on the planet. Has been just killing it, and having Bad Bunny doing his first signature shoe, this is his second colorway. I'm just happy to see what he's doing. I want a pair of these shoes. This one won't be for me because, as you can see, this is a size 8. This one will be for my wifey. I hope she likes it. Once she gets home, I'm gonna tell her to put these shoes on her feet so you can see how they look on feet. And yeah, that will be my wife doing the on feet in a moment. That will be included on the video, of course. But I like it, man. The material used for this one is a mix between suede. This is like a fairy suede here, then regular suede on this area. The filling of the material is actually really nice. We have perforations on the shoes. We can see this area of the shoe give me some Air Jordan 8 vibe. Let me know if that's just me. But yeah, that's what it looks like to me. Something that catch my attention is the way it feels, the midsole on the shoe. I think this one will be very comfortable. I'm gonna ask my wife her opinion about the way this one feels on feet. But if that shoe feels as good as I'm feeling the midsole of the shoe, I think the comfort on this shoe will be very, very solid. On the outside of the shoe, we have a cream looking outsole, the tractions. This is the design that this pair have, the Adidas logo here. It's a pretty simple colorway, but simply looks good. Just appreciate this shoe. The stitching on the tongue, it's really a cool detail because it's giving this shoe a little bit of vibe. On the inside of the shoe, this one also reminds me a little bit to the Air Jordan 8, Air Jordan 7, just because of the way the insole look. On the inside, we can see Adidas para Bad Bunny again on a black insole. The laces that the shoe comes with are these rope laces. The BadBo 1.0 Bad Bunny, congratulations on this shoe, my boy. I think you're gonna have an amazing year. I mean, you already won 3 Grammys, did the Super Bowl, and now you're coming with these. As a sneakerhead, I have to say that you're about to go as one of the greatest sneaker collaborators. I have to say it because if this is what you're doing with Adidas, man, that's just incredible. I think this pair right here looks better than the Travis Scott Jumpman Jack, which is actually the first signature shoe for Travis Scott, and I think Bad Bunny did a better job on the shoe. I understand if you don't like it for any reason, but what I'm looking at here is pretty nice. Now let's take a look at the way this one look on feet, and what I'm seeing on my wife's feet is a good looking sneaker on feet for real. I'm liking the way they look. All right, I can't wait for another colorway of these shoes to come out so I can get them, so I can wear them. I really like the upcoming colorway because they're supposed to be a pair that have black that he actually wore during a interview. I want those in my collection. But now let me ask my wife what she think about the way this Bad Bunny feels on feet. Babe, how you feeling this shoe?
To be honest, they do feel a little tight. If you like, you have to size up a whole size, to be honest. If you a girl, if you have your toenail a little long on your feet, definitely a whole size.
How did it feel like when it comes to comfort?
Compared to my Jordan 1s, I feel like they win. And one thing I want to say though is they are more roomy. Like if you have wide feet, they're actually good on that. I have to give it that. They're roomy and they're not tight where like the material is tight. They're comfortable, they're loose, they're roomy.
All right, so that's what my wife has to say about the way this BadBo 1.0 feels on feet. Man, I need a pair of this one. I have to say it. I need a pair of this one. Guys, let me know your opinion about the BadBo 1.0. Is this a shoe that you want for your rotation? Let me know that in the comment section. Thank you guys a lot for watching. These were my first impressions of the shoe, unboxing, review, and everything. It's now time for you to share your thought with me in the comment section. Thank you guys a lot for watching the video. Please leave a like if you appreciate the content, the job that I'm putting through to give you all this sneaker content. Just leave a like, and if you want to see more of what I do but outside of YouTube, make sure to follow me right here on my brand new Instagram account, JasonJCake02. I'm gonna keep uploading the same content as usual, so if you used to follow me on my previous account, come follow me on this one, JasonJCake02. Thank you guys again for watching, and till the next one, goodbye.